Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down in order to find backup and reset option. Let's tap, and as you can see right here, we've got a whole Google Backup section. Right now we have to tap on backup accounts. If for some reason your device do not allow you to do it, it is because I have no idea why, but your device decided that it don't want to have this option turned on. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the backup accounts is active right now. So let's tap. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Just like that, as you can see. So right now I have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want to, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need, you can read it. Then let's tap on I agree. Right here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but probably after tapping on accept, we will be transferred directly to this step about which I was talking about. So here we can check that we are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, we can tap on more details to learn more, and under it we can check that our device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. Of course, if you don't want to do it right now, just tap on Not Now, and then if you will decide that you want to back up the data, just come back to this section and tap on Backup Accounts. Pick the one, and as you can see, you will be transferred directly to this step. So all I wanted to show you is that you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account and so on and so on. So let's simply tap on Turn On, and basically that's all. And this is how to enable Google Backup in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.